Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channels. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar. Today I am going to solve momentum inertia problem. Under that we are going to take jet sections. So all the dimensions given. So I am going to solve very simple method. Simple steps will follow. So now let us start our work. So questions they will ask. Find the moment of inertia about the centroidal axis. So once we will find moment of inertia, center of gravity we have to calculate first. Without center of gravity we cannot calculate moment of inertia, because with that center of gravity how much area will cover, that is known as moment of inertia, those that we are going to find out. So now see the jet sections given. Top flange they given 10 centimeter. From top to here bottom they given 16 centimeter distance, and bottom flange they given 15 centimeter. So generally you will see the jet section, whatever moment of inertia problem they will give in the mm, like 150 mm, 200 mm, 160 mm. So what we will do, if you can solve also keep the mm, but once you will do the calculations part, it will come very long calculation. So suppose they given 100 mm, 150 mm, 160 mm, 20 mm, this all wave gap is 2 centimeters, so 20 mm, because already you know 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Then what we'll do now, first we'll convert all the given, what is distance they given or length they given, that you convert into centimeter. So what will come? It will be easy for our calculations work, and afterwards we'll convert centimeter into mm. So that will be very simple concept. Okay. So now that we did, given big dimensions, generally you will see they will give 100 mm, in all dimensions are in mm. So okay. Now first work already I told before video I uploaded. First work is will take the axis of reference. So axis of reference I will take in first coordinate. So this is y, this is x. Why this I am taking now, that already previous times also previous video I explained. So again you look here why we are doing like this, keeping our given section in the first coordinate. So first coordinate will be both x positive, y positive will come. Suppose we will go the second coordinate, x negative, y positive, both negative, x positive, y negative. So what negatives is coming. So in that case, dimensions will take some plus, some minus will take. So avoid this. We'll keep always our given section in the first coordinate. So see this first coordinate. This is origin 0, 0. That means this jet sections I kept in first coordinate. Very first steps. Next steps will cut the section. We'll cut the section. Because jet sections 3 rectangles looks. So we'll cut the sections. You take this way and take this way. Even you can take, suppose this is the jet section is there. Jet section is there. You can cut this way also, nothing wrong. So you see here I cut it this way, this middle, this, and all the length, how much length will be there, what way you are cutting. Suppose this way I cut it now, this will write 10 centimeter. This will write 2 centimeter. This will, how much will take? Total 16 is there. 2 gone at 12 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Then this is 15 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Just 1 minute. This is 2 centimeter. According to this, suppose I cut it this way, then what will be this? This will come 8. This will come how much? Total will come. So total will be 16. This will be 16. Then this will come 13. Okay. So either this way or this way. This will be the very straight. This little easy for us to calculate. This little confusing. Sometimes this, suppose you are taking this length only, center of gravity you have to take. This total distance plus this distance, half of this. If section 3 will be there little. In comparison, this little difficult. You cannot say difficult, but easy in comparison, that this will be not that much easy. Okay. So now I taken this section. Now we'll give the name. Give this first 1. This is 2. This is 3. That naming and all, you can give anyone. Anyone will be the 1, 2 or 3. Okay. So this 1, 2. Okay, so the taken 1, 2 and 3. These 3 sections I taken. Now steps 2 over. What we did, first we taken the axis of reference, then we cutted the section, divided the section, 3 section. Now, already you know that previous video already explained what is the center of gravity for the individual section. Individual sections na half distance. Suppose this is B na, this is B by 2. This is H, so this distance will be H by 2. This is the CG point. This is the CG point. So X bar, Y bar, CG point will be B by 2 comma H by 2. Why? Because one sections I know. Here 3 sections will be there. So we will use the formula. But once we will find the individual section CG, that half distance will go either horizontally or vertically. This is the horizontal distance, this is vertical. So horizontal means this is the X bar, this is the Y bar. So this we are going to do. So we will write the formula. What will be the formula here? X bar equal to X bar, we are taking symbol center of gravity about X axis, final center of gravity. So 3 sections is there. So you will write 3, A1, A2, then A3, X3 divided by total area, A1 plus A2 plus A3. What is A1? Area of the first section. A2 area of the second section. A3 area of the third section. X1 individual center of gravity for the section 1. X2 individual center of gravity section 2. Similarly section 3. Then what is Y bar? A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus A3 Y3 divided by total area A1 A2 plus A3. So I wrote this formula. Once I wrote this formula, now what is unknown you are seeing here? Area, all 3 area will find out. X1, X2, X3 individual section of center of gravity will find, and similarly Y1, Y2, Y3 will find. Once these 3 will find, we will substitute, we will get the center of gravity. So okay, so now start that calculation part. Right here A1. Look the A1. Already this area, that portions we taken out. So it will be easy for us. First one, what is 10 into 2? 10 into 2. So 20 area centimeter into centimeter square. Let suppose you see here 100 mm plus, if mm layer 100 into 20. So big calculations will come. So finally we'll convert, it's not a matter. So always given the big dimensions, we'll convert into centimeter. If that much more will be there, now we can keep meter also. But see that any part, anything should not come in decimal. So that you should not assume. So that only you have to take care. Now A2. A2 will be 12 into 2. 12 into 2, 24 centimeter square. Then A3. See the third section. 15 into 2 equal to 30 centimeter square. So why I am taking separate? Now so easy for us. We can see this, okay, first portion this, second portion this, third portion this. Don't directly you see here only. Nothing wrong seeing there. That also okay. But this it will be simple. You are looking only section 1 over rectangle 10 into 2. Then 20 into 2. Like this you can answer. Now X1, X2, X3. What is individual section of individual center of gravity of the particular section. So now always will take this value from the reference axis. Suppose X1 is there. So this is the reference axis. This is the first block. How much distance? 10. So it is connected to the axis of reference. So 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Then second one. How much thickness? 2. So we'll write X2 equal to 2 by 2. Half distance 2 by 2. But what is this length? We have to calculate. So total length is 10 minus 2. This length will be 8. So 8 plus 2 by 2. So total how much will come? 9 centimeter. This is called 5 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now third one. Now this is the length. How much this length? 15. So X3 will be 15 by 2. But where is this? This block where is? After this distance. This distance how much again? 8. 8 plus 15 by 2. So 7.5, 8, 15.5 centimeter. Now, suppose you have questions. Sir, why will take that X from the Y axis? Why will take from Y1 from the X axis? That already previous video explained. So again you look here. Suppose this is the line I draw. This line is nothing but y is equal to 0 line. This line is nothing but x equal to 0 line. Now, suppose you will draw the x equal to 1 line, y is equal to 1 line, where will draw? So, first you see the dimension, this is 0, 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. Suppose x equal to 1 line, where will draw? So, this is x equal to 1. So, this is x equal to 1 line. This is known as x equal to 2 line. So, now see x distance, where is measuring? From the y-axis, now see, suppose here, area where we are measuring now, from where we are measuring? From the y-axis. 2, see, measuring from the y-axis. That's why x we taken from the reference axis, x1, x2, x3. Similarly, y, see here, this is y1, this is y2. Suppose you are measuring this y1, from where? From the x-axis. This is called x-axis, but line is y is equal to 0 line. This is x equal to 0 line, x equal to 1 line. So now y is equal to 0 line, y is equal to 1. Up like this now, y, see, y increasing this way. Vertical line y-axis. So increasing in this way. So that case, for that only we are taking like this only. Now you see here y1. Y1 what will do? Where is the third section? In top. So this length how much? This length is 2. This length is 12. This length is 12. 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 plus this thickness is 2. 2 by 2. Because center of gravity we are taking y1 in first one. First one half distance 2. So half distance we take here. So 2 plus 12 plus 2 by 2. So how much will come? 15 centimeter. So y1 how much coming? 15 centimeter. Then y2. You see the y2? This one only. So 2 plus 12 by 2. 2 plus 12 by 2. So 6 plus 2, 8 centimeter. So we are taking like this. Now third sections from bottom. So 2 by 2. Y3 nothing but 2 by 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. So what is, once you know these three things, center of gravity over, now you have to substitute the formula, you will get the answer. Here x bar you will write, you will get the answer. If y bar you will write, you will get the answer. Substitute all the value, you will get the answer. Main problem will be this only you should know. This concept, once you know, you can solve the center of gravity problems. Okay. Now final value, how much will come? That will write. If x bar you will see, x bar will come 10.554. 10.554 centimeter because length. Y bar you will get 7.05. Already we calculated this 7.05. So x bar we know this, y bar we know this. So okay, how to represent this answer now? How to represent this answer now? See here, y bar 7.05, x bar is 10 point. So this length is 10. Coming how much? 10. So 10.55, just near somewhere. And if we'll go there, this is coming, so y bar is 7. So it will be somewhere here will come CG point. X bar, y bar, CG point. Okay, according to the given dimension. Generally, suppose this length will be less, this length will be more, inside will come. So whatever x bar is coming 10.554, y bar. So this is the center of gravity distance. So entire jet sections weight will concentrate in this point. So center of gravity over. Now we'll go the moment of inertia. So moment of inertia, almost 90% data we have. We'll write the formula, we'll substitute. That also very simple steps I'm going to explain now. So before this, you know the parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem. What is parallel axis theorem? Ig plus AH square. This is the moment of inertia for the section. Moment of inertia for the section. So before this, we should know moment of inertia for the single section. All blocks are in rectangle only, na? All blocks are in rectangle only. So we should know the moment of inertia of the rectangle. Suppose this is B, this is H. Already I told the trick also. Now I will also tell the trick. What is the IXX and IYY? This is B. yy, this is xx, okay. So ixx nothing but h cube b by 12, iyy nothing but b cube h by 12. How to remember? This derivation is there. How coming moment of inertia about the centroidal axis, about xx, b h cube b by 12, about yy na, this will come. How to remember? See here. One simple trick is there. To remembering this silly tricks also nothing wrong. We have to remember what is our target, to write the moment of inertia for the single axis. We cannot derive in the short period. So you see this, how we'll remember? Suppose x line you are drawing. See this h perpendicular. This line is going perpendicular to h cube given. Another way how you can remember, h getting cutted, h getting crushed. Crushed na you give some mercy. Mercy na they are giving some power. This is called support. You supported h. So h3. Similarly b. Once you are drawing the line, b getting crushed. So b you have to some mercy. You have to give some support. Support na 10 power b cube into h. So xx h cube, yy b cube, whatever dimensions is there here, perpendicular these dimensions will be h cube. So this way you can remember the individual section of moment of inertia, that is called ig, for individual section of moment of inertia, like area. Now I am going to write the formula. Ixx equal to, how many section is there? 3 sections. You write Ix1 plus Ix2 plus Ix3. So Ix this, or I equal to, what is moment of inertia formula? Ig plus ah square. If here we'll take, okay, you take xx equal to this. So here you can write xxx, that is okay, different things. Now Ix1, write the parallel axis theorem. What will the parallel axis theorem? Ig plus ah square. Then for Ix2, Ig plus ah square will modify now. Then Ig plus ah square. I wrote this. Now, what we'll do now? This part will modify. How? Because section 1 give 1, 1, 1. Section 2 give 2, 2, 2. Section 3 give 3, 3, 3. I given like this. Now, what is this one? About xx. So give here x here, right? Now it is clear now. Moment of inertia about xx, all xx. Section 1, 1, 1. Section 2, 2, 2. Section 3, 3, 3. What is Ig1? Now already he have diagram here. Suppose you think one rectangle. So Ig1 now what is? Horizontal line will draw now. So 2 cube is coming. What is coming? 2 cube. Because horizontal line what is? H cube. What is here? 2 cube. Into 10 by 12. Individual section moment of inertia wrote. Now area already we have somewhere. A1 20. What is H1x? I'll write here formula. H1x is nothing but y bar minus y1. H2x nothing but y bar minus y2. H3x nothing but y bar minus y3. So H1 nothing but final center of gravity minus individual center of gravity. Now you will think why xx ka y irko? Why y will be there? Ixx ka y difference. So already see Ixx you are taking now from the y-axis, looks now taking from the y-axis. X you are taking from the x-axis. So Ixx once you are calculating this right difference of the center of gravity of the y difference. Now what is y bar? 7.05 minus what is y1? 15 whole square plus next Ig2x. Come this second diagram. If we draw the horizontal line, what is 12 getting crushes? So 12 cube. You have to give support to the 12. Then what is vertical? 2 by 12 plus A. What is A2? 24. Right, 24. Then what will be right the y bar? Y bar minus y2. Y bar is 7.05 minus what is y2? 8 whole square. Okay, now we have to write the third one. So okay, this okay, I will rub it here again. We'll write now third one. What is third one? Ig3. You see here 2 cube into 15 by 12 plus what is area? A3 30. Then y bar 7.05 minus what is this y3 1 whole square. So see here, first section moment of inertia. First section moment of inertia, what is? Underline with the different color. First section of moment of inertia, second section of moment of inertia, third section of moment of inertia. These steps you have to write carefully, because once you will solve this, it will look very bigger solution. But steps, if you are remembering, any one you remember, 3 times repeat, all the data we have. So finally, Ixx, if you calculate, you will get the some answer in the centimeter power 4. So Ixx, you will get the value 2688.46 centimeter power 4. Suppose you want to convert now mm. I told you already dimensions centimeter is there. I kept his. Suppose you want to convert, so you just learn 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. 1 centimeter power 4 is equal to 10 power 4 mm. If mm you will write now, what you will write? 2688.46 into 10 power 4 mm. This should not write in this particular problem, because already centimeter na, this is your answer. But if you are converting mm, so first centimeter convert, just multiply 1 centimeter 4 is equal to 10 4, just multiply and write the value. Okay. So okay, now these things not required here. Okay, now I will tell the IYY how we'll write. Similar method. Suppose Ixx, you know, na, same things we are going to write here. Only symbol will be different. So y1 plus y2 plus y3. Okay, now Ig plus AH square. Ig plus AH square. See here. Then Ig plus AH square. Again, first you just write Ig plus AH square. Now modify. This is 1, 1, 1. In y, so y. 2. So y. Similarly, 3. Third section, y. I wrote. So now formula satisfied. Now what is Ig1? With respect to y, first section 10 cube, so vertical line is coming 10, so 10 getting crossed, no? So power give 10, so 10 cube into 3 by 12, or reverse of this. Once xx you are writing na, just reverse of this you will write na, it will get answer. Area will be same 20, but what is h1? I will write here h1 y is equal to x bar minus x1. If we will take h2y, x bar minus x2, h3y, nothing but x bar minus x3. Here y, x difference, x, y difference. So one at least I will keep here, x is nothing but y bar minus y1. Similarly y2, y3, this you keep it, somewhere you have to write this also. So this for x, this for y. Okay. Now area, you know what is x bar? 10.554 minus x bar minus x1, somewhere is there x1 5 whole square, plus Ig2 not second one, vertical line, so 2 is there, 2 cube. Here you see 12 cube, but here 2 cube into 12 by 12, plus area A2 24 minus what is this one, area 24 into into x bar. X bar how much? 10.55. 10.554 minus x2. x2 will be 5 whole square plus, now y1 work over, no? Yes, now I will rub it this part. Now see here, plus third section, first sections over, second sections over, second sections listen again, because this vertical line 2 per power cube into 12, area A2 is 24, then x bar is this minus x2, 9. Yes, wait, yes, x2 will be 9 whole square, x2 will be 9 whole square plus Ig3, now vertical, now 15 cube, here what is 2 cube, so what write, 15 cube 2 by 12 plus area A3 30, then what is x bar, 10.554 minus x3 15.5 whole square. So okay, so everything we wrote here. Now we will calculate, you will get the IYY final answer. If you will calculate IYY, you will get 2145.96. I calculated 96 centimeter power 4. So now look again. Concept is this much only. Now this calculation, you have to substitute the value. So this substituting value now you have to careful. YY na 10 cube, correct. Reverse of this, check. 20 into y bar here. X bar minus x1. X bar is equal to this. X1 minus 5. Vertical line 2 cube into 12 by 12. 24 area A2.